Alright guys, so we got the truck loaded up. Hopefully we can make a little banger video for you. We're going out for a little quick trip. I'm gonna go out with my boy Josh, the one that makes the pig jigs. Stay tuned. It's gonna be like a 3-hour, 4-hour trip, so let's see what we can produce. See you on the water.
Oh yeah. I'll let you play a little bit. Let me know if you want that power pull up.
No, you're good.
Flip of a button and keep going. I was saying we'll bring you in green now. We'll bring ass in green,
Let's
baby.
go.
Shit.
Damn, look how white it is.
Yeah, bro.
Dude, he inhale.
Good shit, bro.
Hey, that
Good
bomber,
shit.
that pig jig, dog.
That's an unbeatable combo. He might be a little green. I see him coming. He was straight. I was like, let's just snap.
Beeline straight to the net.
Yes, sir. Good shit, baby.
That's slot all day.
Yeah. That's money. He hailed that bitch too.
And I have to retie a leader again.
Yeah, she did. Good shit, baby.
Bro, look at that.
Inhaled. Hold up, let me get a Instagram. Throw you on the pig jig story.
I made a new profile because of it.
Oh yeah, 100%. Yeah, it's gonna take some time to get
at
back.
that. Nice
You wanna
snook.
measure it? I got a ruler if you wanna get an actual.
I think it's like 29, 28, 29. I feel like I see snook all the time.
Yeah.
29.
Look at that.
29.
Nice little fucking.
29 and a
that.
half-ish.
Let's go, baby.
Nice.
See, and that that's why we throw lures.
Yep.
Fuck yeah, baby.
On the pig jig.
Bro, and this is exactly how I started fishing plastics at first. And I'm fucking up there just tossing lures, bro. Cause it works though. You actually get like a.
Let's go.
Not bad, not stud, but not bad.
Oh, I just got hit too. That's a nice red. That's like a 24, 23.
Hey, ain't bad. Okay. Oh, it's better red.
That's a nice red. Right where you said they would be.
It's crazy, bro. And like what's funny is like sometimes it's like that. It takes a good 10-15 minutes for them to get fired up.
Mm-hmm.
Come in and it's real quiet back here, as you can see.
Yeah.
So they settle back in. Oh yeah, he ain't bad.
That's a good one. That's a healthy one.
Not on tomorrow. Let's go, baby. Thank you, sir.
Hell yeah. Attaboy.
Boy, you gotta know. I still know a little son.
Want to measure it?
Instead I used to be, but you know. Yeah.
Get your pliers.
What do you think? 23, 24?
I think like 20, 22.
22, 21 and a half, but same shit. Thank you, sir.
Yep. Want to pick?
That's red.
It's small.
When you hit it hard.
Yeah. Landed. When it landed, you hit it. Good size.
Yeah, no, crazy out there putting that little pond. You up this backside?
Huh?
You were remember back here?
Yeah, so like you see those trees, those two little trees where the grass is right there. They're probably just sitting there with the nose facing this way.
Good idea. Makes sense.
Nice little red.
You know, keep my little log for my personal.
Yeah.
log.
That's what we're out here for, right? Let's go. Oh! Feisty. Dude, I love these Trokar hooks.
The what?
The Trokar circle hooks.
Yeah, see the baby.
Oh, he's pooping. Oh, redfish, when they eat it, they eat it.
Yeah, they walk you down.
Yeah. There he goes. He got it now.
Got him.
Nice little red. Not a decent. Nah, I got him. Look at that.
Yeah, beautiful ass tail.
Stuck.
Colors on that are just incredible.
Yeah, let me see. Oh, no, I got it. I got it.
Sometimes the way you need them playing.
Look at that tail.
That's solid 19. That tail is amazing, bro. Look how blue. Even with no glasses.
Whoa!
He was ready. That was
Aight. There's it right there. Oh my god. Is that a red? You're stuck? You're stuck? Hey, go get your bobber. Go get your bobber. I'll hold it. He's still there.
still there.
Yeah. He's still there.
Like you said, do not trespass.
Bro, this is a
What do
big.
you want me to do right now, bro?
I don't know.
Power pole down? You want
No. Bro, this is like a
That's
40.
good one, bro.
This
That's
is like a
good.
40.
That's a good one, baby.
Oh my god. This is like a 40, bro.
Go wherever you want. Bro.
Oh
I'm
my god.
here with you, dog. You tell me where you want the boat.
Bro, my heart. I don't even know what to do right now.
Bro, do your thing, bro. Do this better than anybody I know, bro. Do your shit. Do your shit, bro. You want me to turn you around?
Yeah.
Coming hard.
He's going that way.
You want me to go you the other way then?
No, you're good. He turned. Yep.
Good shit.
Bro, this is
That's a good one, bro.
I wish I would have changed my leader now.
That's a good fish. What do you think of that, bro? You got him hooked good. You want to come back up this way?
Yeah.
You got fluid? You clean on the fluid
He's
there?
coming this way.
Like that, I'm just gonna drift with it. Keep it tight and do your thing, bro. Bro, that's a good fish. That's a good fucking fish, Sammy. I'm staying up, bro. You got full rights. I'm moving this bag out of the way.
Oh, he's like 36. He's really thick. He's right here. Let's go!
Baby.
Woo! Let's go!
That's a fucking fish.
Hey,
bro.
power pole?
Dick. Bro. Dick.
Oh, bro, look
Big,
how
bro.
white she is. She's so clean, just sitting on that point. Oh,
Ooh, why would you not want to explore, bro? You've never fished this. You've never fished this. And look at this fat bitch,
let's
bro.
go!
That's a chunky fucking look, I hate when people get my fish out, bro. Get your fish, dog. Get your fish.
Oh my
I know you want your hands on
god.
that bitch. That's not even that long.
He's
It's
just
the
stupid.
thickness of it.
Bro, when I saw
It's
him
the
wake, I was like,
thickness of
dude,
it.
that's a 40. But he's like 34.
Look at that hook set, dog. Look at that hook set, dog.
My heart is pounding.
Woo!
What'd I say, like 34? 33 and a
That's a
half?
fat slot snook. That is a fat slot. Hold up, let's show the camera. We'll get them all. Get him to the nose for y'all. That is a fat slot right there, boy. My dog Sammy rocking the Pig Jigs hat.
I need a picture, dog.
Yes, you do.
Bro.
Look at a couple different angles. Let's get one right there. Yeah, there you go.